What's up everyone, this is Vince with MarvelousMarketing.online here with another video today on 6 Instagram hacks you need to do in 2022 right now. So if you're into those things, then keep on watching today's video. You know, Instagram is constantly changing, and as it changes, you need to keep up on the trends, keep up on the different tricks, the different tips for the Instagram stories, because it's very important. It's a great way to boost your visibility online and get people to know about you and your brand and your business. So that's why I'm making today's video. Before we jump into it, I want to make sure you already like the video, you're already subscribed, and you already hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop a video. Now let's get into it. Tip number 1, what we're gonna do here, what I wanna show you is how to change the background in the story to any color that you want. And it's kind of funny because I think a lot of people know about this, but there's also a lot of people who don't know about this hack. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna go to my phone and show you exactly what I do. I'm gonna start screen recording. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it over here. We're gonna go over to the story side. You can either pull the screen to the side with your thumb, or if you go up to the plus button at the very top, you can click that too and you can hit story. That's both ways that you can open the story section. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna open a blank. I'm gonna take a photo of myself, say like that. And as you can see, I'm very attractive in this photo. And what you do is you click on the 3 dots, the ellipses on the top right, you hit draw, and so you can see there's like different colors on the bottom. You can pick anything. I'm gonna pick green, I can pick blue, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna actually hold the screen down with my thumb. And when I hold it down, it's gonna paint the whole picture blue. Everything is gonna be blue. And so you can leave it like that, and you can be like, oh, like that's colored. But what's cool is you can actually go back to the draw section and you can actually erase to kind of unveil what you're doing here. So I can, if I wanna show my face, all I have to do is erase right here. And oh my gosh, he's so beautiful. Look at that face. Wow, that's gonna get a lot of likes. Okay, story hack number 2. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you how to add a link. Before this, you had to have over 10,000 subs or 10,000 followers in order to get the add a link or swipe up to go to the link. But Instagram actually let everyone have this feature. All you have to do is add it as a sticker. So what you're gonna do here is I'm gonna take a photo of myself again. See, beautiful photo. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna see this button sticker, this sticker called link. And so we go here, we click link. And what's cool is you can add any link you want. So mine is marvelousmarketing.online. So you can add the URL so when someone sees this, they can click on it. But when it says customize sticker text, you want to add that so you can give a call to action. You can add in something so people actually stick it more. So I can say, click here to see my services. All right. And so when I hit okay, you can see that there's going to be a button that says click here to see my services. So when someone clicks on that, they'll see that. And another pro tip, I like to add a GIF here, and I'm gonna put an arrow so it stands out a little bit more. People will be able to see it. This arrow is cool right here. We're gonna do one, and then I think I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna flip it. Well, I guess I have to turn it myself. And so when someone sees my story, they're like, oh wow, I guess I better click here to see his services. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. All right, hack number 3. Hack number 3, what we're gonna do here is we are going to add a photo from your camera roll, and there's 2 different ways you can do this. I'm gonna show you how to do it within the app and how to do it outside of the app. So what I'm gonna do is take a photo, another beautiful photo of myself, and I'm gonna go to the button at the very top where you add buttons and stickers, and you scroll down and there will be this option right here, and you just click it, and then you can see that your camera roll will pop up. So if I want to click here, I can add a picture of my tacos, and what's cool is even if I tap it, I can change the shape of the photo. I get a heart, I get a circle, I get a star. Wow, that's cool. You can also add multiple photos. It doesn't have to just be one. So I'm gonna click this other photo of tacos, put it right here, tap as a circle. I like it as a circle. So that's one way to do it. Another way you can do it is if you go to your camera roll, get out of there, and then you go to your camera roll and go here and you hit the button on the left. This is for iPhones. I don't know how it is for Android, but this is for iPhone. And you say copy photo. So you go to copy photo and you go back to Instagram, and Instagram will actually let you paste it. And you go here and then you can paste it too. That's how you can actually add multiple photos to your story easily. And either way you want to do it, both of them work. And you can tap each one. Oh, but when you paste it from your camera roll, you can change the shape. So just know that the difference is there. Tip number 4, or next Instagram hack that I want to tell you about, is turning your live photos into boomerangs for Instagram. And if you don't know, Instagram always had the boomerang feature, you know, the one where you can just move one way and move back one way and it'll go back and forth. But there's a cool way of doing it through your live photos on the iPhone app. Like I said, Android, I don't know, but through the iPhone, I know how to do it. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna first go to our camera app because we have to make sure the live photo is turned on. So we're gonna go to our camera app and we're going to the top right of this, and we can see that right here, camera app is turned on. We're gonna turn this on. We're gonna take a live photo. I'm gonna do it with my fingers, and I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna go like this, and it's a live photo. So now all I have to do is go go back to Instagram, and then I'm gonna pick the photo. And what you'll see is in the top left already, there is like a boomerang icon. So all we have to do is click on it, and it'll give you the option, create a boomerang from your live photo when you click on the boomerang button. So you click that, and then we can do the classic one. We can do the slow-mo one. That one's cool. We can do the echo. Ooh, the echo looks really cool. Or we can do the duo, and it's like a really fast-paced kind of thing. So in order to do that, make sure your live photo is turned on within the camera app, and then all you have to do is go to Instagram and click the boomerang button on top, and it'll turn your regular photo, if it was taken as a live photo, into a boomerang. So that's pretty cool right there. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna show you is how to make your story look cooler than it already is. Because you know, stories can be look kind of boring in times. You know, you wanna make it look different, you wanna make it stand out. So this is the perfect way to do it. And not only will it make it stand out, but people can actually just click on the post, click on the story, and it can be taken directly to the actual post and like it, and they can comment on it. So I wanna show that to you how to do that right now. We're gonna go to a post that we wanna post on our story. We're gonna hit the airplane on the paper airplane right here, and we're gonna say add post to your story. All right, we're gonna click right there. We're gonna screenshot this. So I'm gonna screenshot this. All right, and I'm gonna make it really, really big, just as big as the screen, as big as you can make it. And then I'm gonna go back to the original post. I'm gonna like edit it a little bit, so the sides are kind of cut out. I'm gonna crop it. So let's crop it here. We'll crop it down. Like so, like so. Okay, so after you edit it, I'm gonna go back to the story, and before I copy and paste the photo that I want it to be in the front, I'm gonna go to the sticker. I'm gonna actually find the background that I wanna pick. So I'm gonna go to my photos, I'm gonna click on the button that I showed you earlier. And just because I don't have like a wide selection of photos, I'm just gonna pick this taco photo right here, and I'm gonna expand it all the way, so it fills up the entire screen. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the original post, the one that I edited, that I cropped. I'm gonna hit copy photo, back in my camera roll, and I'm just gonna paste it. So I'm gonna click that button, and it is right there. So now if someone comes to my story, they'll see that, oh wow, there's a cool little background I got going on, and that's the post that I want to see. And I can even make it better. I can put like, we can hit a GIF, we can hit new post, right? And the new post will be right there, and then people will know, and then they can just click this to see the post. Okay, so the next one I want to talk to you about is a kind of a new feature for Instagram stories. It is the add yours. And so what's cool about the add yours is I can say, here, let me take a photo real quick. So I'm gonna go to the story, I'm gonna click here and take a photo, and then I'm gonna hit the button on the top, and I'm gonna hit the add yours option. And so I can say here, show me your favorite sweater, right? Because I'm wearing a sweater right now, this kind of fits. And so what's cool is that when I share this to my story, another person, one of my followers, can actually take a photo of them with their favorite sweater, and it'll also tag me, and it'll show me that, hey, and as you click on this feature, when I go back to it, I can see the story of people who actually decided to show me their favorite sweater. And what's cool is that it'll raise your engagement, it'll allow more people to see your story. So this is actually a really, really good feature to use. So make sure you try this out. It's the add yours feature in Instagram stories. The next one I want to show you is all about, I think I already hit number 6, but it doesn't matter because I want to give you some bonus tips here. So the next one I want to show you is all about turning on captions within your stories. And what's cool is that Instagram actually added a feature that allows you to easily input the captions within your story. All you have to do is click a button, and then screen recording, and I'm going to go to the hands-free option so I can record. And I'm just going to say something like, hello everybody, this is an Instagram story hack video for you. Check this out. I'm gonna hit stop recording. I'm gonna go to the button. I'm gonna hit captions as an option. And it's gonna transcribe the audio for you. And as you can see, you'll see all of the captions pop up, and then you can resize it. You can change the color, you can change the type. And what this allows is people who are watching your story, let's say at work, you know, they can't have the sound on, they can still partake, they can still see what you're talking about within your story. And you know, this will raise your engagement. This will allow people to stay on your story longer just because it adds a different vibe to it. People will be like, what are the words that are being said in the video? And they'll read it. And sometimes when they read it, it takes them a little bit longer. So they'll be able to read through the video and they'll stay on the story. If you have a video where you're talking and you want people to hear what you're saying, if they can't turn on the video, make sure you always add a caption to it, because that'll allow them to read your story, stay on it longer, and you know, increase engagement overall, and that's what you want. And the last one I want to talk to you about is the green screen effect tool. And this is such a cool green screen effect for your Instagram stories. And this is so cool because it allows you to put yourself in front of something behind you, right? So you can be in front of the video talking about something, and then in the back, it'll be the backdrop so you can talk about what's behind you. So I'm gonna show you how to find that first. So let's go back to the stories, and I actually already have it within my stories. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you first how to use it. So I have it pulled up right here. I'm gonna hit add media, and I'm gonna pick, let's do the taco one I had earlier. So I have this behind me, right? And as you can see, I can be like, whoa, look at this taco behind me. This taco was bomb. I had this at a recent restaurant, all of this good stuff. You can say that. But if you don't have this within the app yet, it's not saved, what you can do is you can go over to the right. There's a search option for the filters. Click that. Effect gallery, you can search green screen right here. There'll be different options. I always pick the first one. You can try it, but on the bottom right, you can actually save it, or you can send it to somebody. So by hitting the flag, you can save it, or you can just try it right here and it'll pop up on your screen, and then you can already use it right away. So use this to talk about things behind you, whether it's food, whether it's about your business. It's a really, really good effect to use. And there you go. I think it was like 8 Instagram story hacks that you should use here in 2022. It's a great way to boost your engagement, to get more people to like your stories, and to just engage with your audience and to grow your following on Instagram, because that's what I know. I know that's what you really want. So try those out and let me know how it works for you. And if you're looking for a way for some Instagram story templates and you want to use some, I'd love to send you 5 of them for free. All you have to do is hit the link in my description and I'll send those right to you. So click the link in my description and get those Instagram story templates so you can get more engagement, get more views on your story, and just boost your following on Instagram. Because I know that's what you want to do, so hit that link. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure you share with your friends, your family, your grandma, your grandpa, anybody that's on Instagram that could really use this to benefit themselves. Make sure you hit the like, that you're already subscribed. If you're looking to grow on social media in any degree, send me a message. I'll have my email linked below. So all you have to do is click that, and then send me a message, and I would love to help you grow on Instagram, on social media overall. I've been helping businesses do this for about 7 years now, so I'm here for you. Send me a message and let's get started. So make sure you like the video, make sure you're already subscribed, and you hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop a video. And don't forget, be marvelous.